Hello guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Google Trends to find dropshipping products. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So we all know finding the right products for your dropshipping business can be really hard. Well, Google Trends here is going to be a friend of yours if you're looking for those products. Now, in this case, what we need to do here is we first need to visit their website, which is trends.google.com. Now, in here in their website, you should be able to see the main UI here. As you can see, you'll be greeted by the current trends right now. So at the very top, you have the explore section here, where in this case, if you enter a keyword here, you'll be able to basically find if that specific keyword is actually trending. Now, also, if you scroll down a bit here, you should be able to see a few things here, like for example, made with trends here, trends time capsule here, and other stuff that you could do here in trends like google.com. But the most important thing that we need to do here is find what's currently trending. Because if we follow the trends right now, it's more likely that we'll be getting more sales and more income, or we'll be able to sell more in our dropshipping business. So following trends is a very important thing, especially for any business. Now, in this case, you might be wondering, this is the main homepage of Google Trends here. How do we actually find something that we could actually use? Because in here, in this page here, especially in the homepage, is where you'll be able to basically start entering keywords and just explore them if they are currently trending. So another great way for you to basically look for trending products is via the explore section here. So if you click on explore here, you should be able to see the search topics here right now. So currently there's a rising trend right now for ChatGPT and some other topics here. As you can see, we have the AI chatbot software here. So there's going to be a lot of about softwares here as of this moment. Now we also have the search queries here. So in this case, a lot of people are actually entering the queries right now for ChatGPT, character AI, and a lot more. So in this case, if you're planning on selling a product that's on about, like for example, you have t-shirts, so you might want to find t-shirts about AI or is about AI. Well, it's a great thing if you're considering on selling those. But in this case, how do we actually edit this? Well, you could go ahead and edit this by clicking on rising here. You could go ahead and switch this to top. As you can see there, you'll be able to see the top searches as of this moment. So we also have the top here, which is what Philippines and a lot more. Now, also, if you change a few things here on the search terms at the top section, you could basically search for certain topics or terms. Like, since we already have an idea here that you could say ChatGPT, character AI, a lot more here. So maybe we want to search about AI. So in this case, you could go ahead and search a few things here, change some categories. Like for example, my exploration or the search terms here setting is actually set to Philippines, but you can set this to worldwide or to a specific country. Now, it is recommended that you change the categories here. As you can see, when I actually change this one, it's going to change it accordingly. Depending on where you put this one, the topic on it is going to change. So whenever you're, like for example, your shop or your store is located or focuses on a specific region, like for example in Australia or in the Philippines, make sure to change that accordingly, because you'll get more success if you're going to do that, because a lot of people are searching about that specific topic on that specific region or country. Now, in this case, once you've chosen your country here, we could go ahead and change the past 12 months here. So instead of past 12 months here, we can change this to maybe last 30 days here to get the most updated trends as of now. So currently we have Pakistan versus Australia, Arthur Beetson, Matty Cup, Fool Me Once, and a lot more of those search queries. Now, you also have the categories here. So maybe I want to say I'm around the arts and entertainment here, since we are looking for products now we want to sell. So when you scroll down a bit here, there's going to be a lot like Golden Globes, Fool Me Once. So in this case, you might want to consider getting products similar to those that you see here in the search queries. Now also we have the web search here. So like for example, image search, YouTube search here, news, Google Shopping. So Google Shopping is a great way for you to get if people are actually getting specific items. So right now there's going to be some trends on Instax mini film, paintings, Apple Watch Ultra, Uno No Mercy, Bleach, and a lot more. Now also if you want to view more topics here, you could go ahead and click on the right button here and you'll be able to see the other topics that is currently trending right now. Now, I would suggest you to use the past 30 days here, or you could use the custom time range here. So, like for example, last 14 days, you could indicate that in here, and from then you should be able to get your search queries here that you might want to consider on selling your products. Now, another setting that you could explore here in trends.google.com is going to be the trending now page here, which in this case are the trending right now. So currently trending products or topics as of this moment. So if you found something that is going to benefit your business, like for example, there's going to be news about this Filipino teen star that actually won university ticket here. So if you want to make a lineup or a product based on that, you could go ahead and do that. And yeah, so there's going to be a lot that you can explore here. It just depends on how you set your settings here, especially in the explore page here. So depending on what you've put here, make sure that you input your categories, your web searches here accordingly, and you'll be able to see trending topics, and from there you should be able to get your products. Now also you could also expand the topics or queries that you find here. Like for example, if you found any topics about bleach, so maybe we want to say this bleach t-shirt. So let's just type in bleach t-shirt here. So let's just search this one, and from here, so maybe I want to say it is going to be not the Philippines, let's say worldwide here. So instead of past 12 months, I want to say past 30 days. So we'll be able to see the interest for it. So currently there's going to be a high peak interest on it, like right now. So for January 9. So right now, as of this moment, there's not much interest on it, but yesterday there was a peak on it. So yeah, so that's how you actually view or find what is currently trending right now. So it's here in the United States. So the search term is available or trending right now, United States. So yeah, so that's how you use Google Trends here to find products for a drop shipping business. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.